In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text direction on Visme. Whether you're working on a presentation, infographic, or any other design project, knowing how to properly align your text can make a big difference in how polished and professional your final product looks. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you can manage text direction effectively on Visme. First, you need to open your project within Visme and navigate to the slide or page that contains the text you want to edit. Once you have your project ready, it's time to focus on the specific text box you intend to modify. Click on the text box to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around the text. Now that you've selected the text box, your attention should turn to the text formatting options. These options typically pop up in a toolbar either above your canvas or on a sidebar. It's important to note that these text formatting tools are crucial for customizing both appearance and direction. Within these options, you'll find a series of icons dedicated to text alignment. These are usually represented by horizontal lines that mimic text lines being either justified, right-aligned, centered, or left-aligned. Start by deciding how you want your text to look within the framework of your design. If you're aiming for a formal or traditional appearance, left align is typically the default and works best for most text-heavy designs. Click the left alignment icon to situate your text neatly to the left of the text box. If your project demands a more uniform or balanced look, centering your text might be a wise decision. This is especially effective for titles or headers that you want to stand out. Simply click on the center alignment icon, and your text will automatically reposition itself to be perfectly centered within the text box. On the other hand, right aligning your text can add a modern or unconventional flair to your content and work well when creating unique layouts or when following specific design requirements. Click the right align icon to achieve this stylish effect. Lastly, for a clean and tidy appearance, particularly with larger bodies of text like paragraphs, justifying your text can be ideal. By clicking the Justify icon, the text will stretch out to align with both the left and right edges of the text box, giving it a neat, newspaper-style look. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to adjust the text direction on Visme. Remember, choosing the right text alignment can significantly enhance both the readability and aesthetic appeal of your designs. Experiment with these options to see what best fits the style and message you wish to convey. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing with Visme.